Guys, it's your boy Keys live on CoinMarketCap announcement page on Telegram. So we're going to be looking at these news updates. Says these are a list of 10 highest viewed coins on Europe. So first on the list we have Dogecoin. You can see the total number of people viewing Dogecoin, about 15,981 users. We have Phantom. Phantom is being viewed by 9,874 users. Next on the list, we have Wonderland. Wonderland is has 1,362 fans from CoinMarketCap. Fourth on the list, we have Oasis Network, 4,440, followed by Bomb Crypto, 6,704. We have Polygon. Polygon has attracted about 13,636 users. Next on the list, we have XRP. XRP has 10,904. We have BNB. BNB has attracted up to 14,174 as the closest to that of Dogecoin. So we have Saitama, 2,047 users. Then we have Terra. Terra happens to be number 10. It has attracted up to 10,524 users on CoinMarketCap. So you can see on this list, Dogecoin is currently leading with about 15,981, followed by closely by BNB, which has 14,174 users visiting them. Then also we also have the third on the list to be for Polygon. Polygon has attracted up to 13,000 users. So this is not an exhaustive list. There's still other cryptos that people are still searching for on Europe. These are the top 10 we have highest viewed coins for the week. It says another week, another set of new coins rise to top of the charts. So yeah, the top highest viewed coins from last week on CMC in Europe. So on a weekly basis, CoinMarketCap will be bringing out a list of cryptocurrencies that are trending in various parts of the world. So you want to stick out and you want to check out. I think there are some coins that are kind of familiar, not too familiar here. Some are very familiar, but some are still gaining ground. So you want to check on those projects and know what they are all about. I think for projects like Bomb Crypto, Wonderland, and also some other ones here. So guys, if you buy keys, I'll be dropping link in the description box to get access to CoinMarketCap. Also feel free to like, share, subscribe to our YouTube videos. You should buy keys. If you have any questions, let us know. Peace out, stay safe, and one love, guys.